We are very, very happy and pleased to welcome our young leaders that have gone for their holidays.
We have opened and we are so happy to meet our kids. We are very pleased to invite all those that are still at home to come and join us, as we all know that MJS is the best school for your kids to be here.
The students are here, the students are happy, and they're excited to be here, back to school after such a long holiday.
Plus we have new students that are here. Also would like to welcome the new students and also to invite you, dear parents out there, please come to Milton Junior School. This is the best place for your child. So we are waiting for you here. We have everything that your child needs. Please just come to Milton Junior School. Thank you. We are waiting for you. Come and our enrollment is still open. So waiting for you very soon.